Okay, guys, smile. Turn, Paul. Turn and wave and smile. Wave. Okay, you guys. So, Mark, this is the mill. What are we running in the mill?
We are running wood fiber.
Let's tell the shareholders.
Wood fiber is used in composite decking, and it's also used in Duraflame logs and other items like that.
Is it mixed with pellets like what we also make in the mill?
No.
I mean, the
what
plant?
we do over here,
And then, Mark, who are we doing this for?
Old Castle.
Got it.
So, I'm taking material that's very coarse, and I'm turning it into a flour. And then that goes into composite decking. We're top 2 largest decking manufacturers in the world, actually.